Our today's question is the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the surface of water of a lake is 30 degree and the angle of depression of its shadow in water of lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud from the surface of water. कौन सी चैप्टर का सम है ये? Height and distance. So this is height and distance application of trigonometry. So for this, how we'll proceed? The first and foremost is we got to draw the diagram. हमको इसका diagram draw करना है. So let us see. So this is the surface of water. So this is 60 meter where the person is standing. 60 meter above the surface here. Say this is the point of the cloud. See. So from here, this is, you're looking at the cloud from A. The reflection of the cloud, if this is my lake, BL is my lake, this is the lake, surface of the water. Now, थोड़ा बहुत physics का knowledge चाहिए इधर. तो reflection कहाँ होता है? So we'll consider this lake, ये lake को as my reflecting surface, the surface of water. तो reflection होता है कि ये object distance is equal to image distance. So this distance must be equals to this. This is where my image, that is the shadow, is formed. So this is my angle of elevation from A to the cloud, which is given 30 degree. This is 60 meter. ये cloud का shadow, angle of depression नीचे होता है. ये this angle is given 60 degree. Angle of depression of the shadow is 60 degree. So this point we have named it perpendicular at M. This is M. And what we need to find out? Find the height of the cloud from the surface of water. So height of cloud, that means cloud is here. We need to find out this CL distance. What is provided to us? This height is 60 meter. Angle of elevation of the cloud 30 degree. Cloud ka reflection inside the water is at S. This is the surface of water. This depression is 60 degree. So we'll write all these. Here AB is equal to 60 meter. Let C be the cloud and S be its shadow. BL is the surface of water. Surface of water. AM perpendicular to CL. Angle CAM is equal to 30 degree and angle SAM is equal to 60 degree. Check whether whatever has been drawn, that is what I have written. AB 60 meter, C is the cloud, S is the shadow of it. This is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and this line AM is perpendicular to CL. Now, in order to get this height, what we are doing, first we are looking into this triangle. In right triangle AMS. क्यों? वो हमको trigonometrical ratio use करना है. तो trigonometric ratio के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? हमको चाहिए right angle triangle. So I have taken AMS triangle. So if I know this is 60, so similarly naturally this will be 60. I am considering let this length be x. So if this is x, as I told you in the beginning, object distance is equal to image distance. So अगर ये object distance होता है x plus 60, so ये image distance, this will also have to be x plus 60. This is a very important step. C, say water level. This is my object distance. Object to pani, reflecting surface. And from this surface to the shadow, this is the reflecting surface. And this is my image distance. So this distance is equal to this distance. This distance is x plus 60. I have considered this as x. So this is x plus 60. So this will also be x plus 60. So we'll mention here, let CM is equal to x meter. We have considered. So in triangle AMS, this side I know in terms of x and 60. I need this side. So this is for this angle. This is acting as the perpendicular. This is acting as the base. So which relation is connecting? Tan theta. So tan of theta, that is theta is 60 degree. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular will be SM by base. Base is AM. Tan 60 how much? Tan 60 is root 3. SM how much? 60 plus x plus 60. 60 plus x plus 60 gives x plus 120. 60 plus 60, 120, x plus 120 by AM. So from here, if I cross multiply, AM will come here, root 3 will come down. So AM will be equals to x plus 120 divided by root 3. This is what I got the value of AM. So I got this. Now I'll take this triangle because then I'll get the value of x. So in right triangle AMC. So this I know, base I know, this is acting as the perpendicular. So the relation connecting perpendicular and base, क्या लेना है? Tan theta. Theta कितना है? 30 degree. So tan 30, perpendicular is CM by base is AM. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 है 1 by root 3. CM कितना है? CM है x. AM कितना है? AM is this, x plus 120 divided by root 3. That root 3 will go up. So root 3 goes up. So now if we cross multiply, what happens? We will cross multiply like this. So if you cross multiply, root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 3 into x. 3x is equal to x plus 120. So if you bring x this side, so this will become 2x is equal to 120, which implies x is equal to 120 divided by 2, that is 60. You get x is equal to 60. So we got this value of x as 60. And what was required? Find the height of the cloud from the surface of water. So cloud to surface of water. This much I got 60. This is already I know 60. So 60 plus 60, 120. Therefore, height of cloud is equal to 60 plus 60 meter is equal to 120 meter. That's my answer. Hope you have followed. Now, I'll give you a similar question, similar to this type, which you will try, you will do it, and let me know the answer in the comment.